Good morning.
Good morning.
The birthday baby. Happy birthday. It's my birthday. How old are you, man?
Some iPads.
How old are you?
Some
That's not an iPad, it's the screen.
this thing.
Say it's my birthday.
It's my birthday.
Say I'm turning 2 years old.
2 years old.
Oh, the baby. Say you gonna get ready for me for my birthday.
Oh. You're
You so cute. There's Ava. She's getting dressed. Well, she's putting on her pants. You say happy birthday, Sissy, on camera?
Happy birthday, Sissy.
How old is Sissy turning?
2.
Man, put up 2. Say 2.
Say 2.
Little butt cheek. We're not doing anything today but just getting cake and ice cream. But this weekend, we'll try to do something to go somewhere for her because it's cold and yeah. You just gotta do something simple. And I think we're gonna go to like a little play place so she can play around. But I need to find one. I still haven't found one. So yeah, we're gonna do that this weekend. Nobody can go on a random Tuesday. That's her birthday. So we get ready with me on my birthday.
Me chips.
Okay. Here. Eat some chips. It's gonna be a get ready with Minna. Minna takes 2. Not like doing nothing, just gonna get her some cake and ice cream. And she got a little, like 2 gifts coming in the mail today. So that's literally it for today. And I might go to, I don't know, but I don't know if it's gonna rain. A P-A-R-K. I'm not gonna say it out loud. So yeah, maybe. Gotta see if it's gonna rain. Let me check. Nope, it's 55 degrees and it's supposed to be this cloudy. So maybe yeah. That's what we can do today. We go get cake, ice cream, get her ready, do her hair. They're gonna get back. They're gonna get back after breakfast. So watch Minna's morning because this was gonna be a little quick. Get ready with her. I don't know. Maybe I'll do like no, because I'm filming all day on her when we go out this weekend. So I just think this.
Mommy, come back.
Yes, keep this small and short. And just get ready with her birthday morning routine. So yeah, stay tuned for the rest of this morning. Say bye-bye. So cute. Okay, go ahead. Ooh. Ooh, what's that? Birthday pancakes. Are your birthday pancakes, man?
And you did that too.
Yes, you destroyed one already. What you mean?
That's cakes.
Yeah, it's pancakes.
Eat pancakes?
Hello, I'm back. It's still the morning. The morning is actually almost over, so this video is almost over. But they about to go to bed. They already had their breakfast. You seen that? She got her little birthday pancakes. That's literally all she wanted to eat. So yeah, just the whipped cream and the sprinkles. That's it. But she's down there finishing her food. because you gotta eat. I picked out her little outfit. This is not her. This is her birthday outfit, but it's not the outfit that she's gonna be wearing when we like do something this weekend. But this is what she's gonna be wearing. It's a recycled outfit of Ava's old outfit. So let's see. That's it. Birthday mermaid. If you can feel it, if fit it. If not, there's another dress over there. I'm gonna just try this one on because this one actually says birthday on it. So with the socks and leggings, and then I just got Ava a dress because if she sees Minna with a dress, she's gonna want a dress on. So I just pulled this one out for her, and it's her leggings and her socks. They about to get a bath, and yeah, I'm editing a video. I'm uploading a video. Or watching Friends. So yeah, let's go give them a bath, and you will see them with their outfits on in 1 minute. Hello, I'm back. I feel like a mess. Don't mind me. It's birthday girl all dressed.
Auntie.
You want to show auntie? Say, auntie, look at my birthday dress. She's all dressed. Look at her little dress. She's so pretty. Say, I'm all clean. I got a bath, wash hair. Her hair's still in the bun. It was all wet still. Say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.
So that's my morning routine of me getting ready.
Getting ready now.
So yeah, this is going to be her little morning routine. She's all dressed. I just got to do her hair, so I'll make sure that, and then that's going to be the end of the video. So, yeah. A little quick birthday morning routine with my 2-year-old baby.
It means iPad.
Okay, hold on. I gotta cut your nails.
Doesn't
Yeah, we're gonna go get cake, ice cream. That's gonna be, I think I might put that a part of her birthday vlog for this weekend or next weekend. I don't remember. I don't know when I'm gonna be able to do it. But yeah. Her birthday is 10/10/21, but it's this year, so 2023. Yeah. Say bye. I'm about to get my hair done, and then that's it. We'll go get some cake and ice cream. So yeah, I'll be back after I fix her hair. Y'all probably just want to see that, and then that's gonna be it. Peace out. Say happy birthday to the baby. Okay, bye. Hey, pretty. That's your pretty hair. She got a little, I'm in the sun. She got little braids, beads, little outfit. That's her little birthday hair. Look at me. Say bye-bye. No? Okay. Oh, bye-bye. So pretty. My 2-year-old. Crazy. That's so big.
Happy birthday to you. Woo. Okay, come on.
Blow your candle. You blow it?
Harder. Do it again.
Almost.
Yay!